Guys, welcome back to the channel, Razi Grows. And in this little short video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get these crypto miners on eBay cheaper than what they retail at the original websites. Let's go. So first and foremost, you want to start your quest by researching on eBay. Okay, that's step one. Now step two, once you find your desired item, try to find one that has the fastest shipping rate that it will be delivered to your desired location. For my instance, February 3rd, the 4th is the eBay seller that's willing to ship the fastest. Okay, so once you figure that part out, that you find out which seller got the item at a decent price and is willing to ship the fastest to you, you want to shoot them a message and ask them if they're willing to negotiate. So for this instance, we're gonna go, you could either make an offer, which that's what I did. I made an offer of $600 and I told the seller that I'm readily available to purchase and pay instant. Ready, payment ready. That's the key word, payment ready, guys. So once you payment ready, you shoot the message. You shoot the seller a message. So look, this is what I said to him. Hey, I'm ready to pay if you can accept my offer. Boom, accepted. Payment just made. Please ship promptly and send the tracking number, please. And that's it. There you have it, folks. I got this at a decent deal, and it's gonna get shipped at the fastest possible shipping time. And then as soon as I get that, I'm gonna fire it up and get to the crypto mining as soon as possible. Guys, this is just a brief overview. Stay tuned to learn more tips and tricks. Razi Grow, like and subscribe, share. Somebody could, see this information. They could use it, apply it, and get this crypto passive. Let's go, Razi Grow.